Stengo ningo
Womukungu Stengo Jumatatu Chinsa Ibere Chabutuko na Dorcas Kemuma. Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii.
Omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto niga bagakora ekera geikaro kyabo waziri naboigo ababunge ase ensemo yabamenyi kurwase ensemo ya Bungoma bakwimurunganeria gutagorerwa gwekinyomba iyo negati yayali yankwadiganireti ase Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere tariki 19 omutienyo kabere omwaka bw'ekirubere ne 2024 Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere akoleto naye na inche job Maangi stuko batugubwate nere Petro Mukire rinde kwene kichibi chechi aboigo namaliyo yengo ikirare ase nche ubikirano tobasa gusuka asengencho sige kageteria tambe nko inko ndege nko bamanye nali abega gwate korwa kete Chinsa tia mambi gwekera abono mugaso. Mwancho muriro Ndizi TV na wakwenda kutobwatu gwetera somtandao ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asesemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na gwetera somtandao o www.ndizitv.net ama yeni gotuko chaka kurwa se county ya Kisii asomo ngina bamokonyi bo muraibwense Dr. Dorcas Rigathi aberga okora etario ya eme county ya Kisii ase endrete goikirana omosangerekano boko mochengera omo bishop Dr. Wilson Mamboreo asegeti yeskuri oboroso ya Kisii anene mono asemambia rero boigo abagagotarera abana bobwate umuchando bwa autism na boigo kurwa ogosira kwaye ase boigo ase musangerekano yunigo omugabana obero wikiranwa no mugabana we county ya Kisii egati yabarai bande.
Habari ya watoto wetu, uko wazima? Unaendelea vizuri? Umepata gari? Nionyesha kidogo. John. And my dear here.
Serikali ni goberege gusabwa kulenda abamenyoki ebyata ime yense ya Kenya yemaga yoko musiria Kelvin Kiptum oyorenge omunyantoki egyata imense ito ya Kenya ase omubasokano omubegwe para aniga kwanwa chingaki ekiombe ekemogia diani wokaza kyabage kwaligania chimbero gose etaro ekilomita emerongo ebere nene ase ensemo ya Kwale una enjera ayemo yoko munyora Kiptum batababuna nigo abamenyoki abange babere bakwegwa anene mono ase abange babere bagosiria obugima bwabo asenje butukano asabano babere bagosabanga bakolendo nabo igwo obosera bwabo kuligererwa ase oboime kegima
na leo tumefanya haya matembezi kumwenzi, kumkumbuka na kudedicate kila hatua moja dua kwake na kwa familia. Mwenyezi Mungu awe atamweka mahali pema.
Hii serikali ikaweza kuwapatia wanariadha hawa ulinzi kama vile wanasiasa wanapewa ulinzi, pia wangepatiwa ulinzi.
Viongozi wa kisiasa wakipuuza wanariadha vijana ambao wanaletea sifa kubwa nchi yetu. Kiongozi wa kisiasa anapopatwa na janga kila mahali kila mtu anakimbia, lakini inapofika kwa wanariadha ambao wanaletea sifa kubwa nchi yetu
Abaliki bamangana Amayia anene mono kurwa se county ya Nandi nigo bano babiri bakomochia egati yabachogi ase ogocherera obwene bwabo ase ensemo eyemo omuriki bamangana Amayia kurwa se station ya Chamge FM asamarita Philip Kipsongok abaga kubwatwa n'abachogi abo engana erera abo wakili baigwa sokia n'abaliki bonsi ilinde kwanekya nkomurwanira bale nabo igo gusabanga eserekali nabo igo ebyombe bitenenerete abaliki ngoswana nabirigati elinde abaliki batiya kochererwa nabo igo obwene bwabo kurigereriwa asenchera ere endonge.
It is freedom of press is provided by the Constitution of Kenya, and therefore I also want to condemn in the highest terms possible. It is bad manners for people to attack the press. These are the people we rely on information, and therefore should their presence should be guarded by the Constitution.
It's very sad. It's very, very sad, because we know we don't fight. What we do is we do our work. He has lost a recorder worth 18,000. The person accusing him is the person who took his recorder.
Tunaona kuwa Philip anafinyiliwa kwa kuwa alikuwa anataka kusema ukweli na labda kuna kitu alikuwa anataka kufichua kama mwanahabari. Sasa hii tutasema kwa
abonchereria anene mono kurwa se ensemo yobonjiria kandunyi nabo igo omuchi obungoma nigo bano babiri bakwimurunganeria oguchererwa nabo igo ogutagurira chinyomba anene mono ase bano babiri otigerwa hasara enene yemaiga yensemo ya serikali county gutagura chinyombe kyo elinde kwene kinganko ngorubaleri bakali abene ase okugaligwa kwegeti ye kemeyega anene mono kyamasinde muliro linde kwena naliba gali abene ase ogochengera omuyega omashuja semono babira gusaba serikali nabuga serikali county kwene kinga ngoba abale obomenyo nechinse marubaji gokolera obonjeria anene mono eyemaiga yogotagulirwa chinyomba etyo ase ensemo eyo.
Wanasema kwamba walipewa watu notice December ambapo kwamba wanasema ilikuwa gazetted. Mimi nauliza kama ilikuwa gazetted kuna mama mboga ambaye huwa anaenda kusoma gazeti. Secondly, hiyo proposal yenye tuliandika hata niko na copy yake haijawahi jibu hata siku ya leo. Wamekuja juzi ambapo ni Friday jioni na kuweka X mahali ambapo hakuna kiongozi ambaye alikuwa amehusishwa. Hakuna kiongozi, hatujai kaa chini na wao. Hakuna mahali ambapo tumekubaliana na wao. Mbona wanabomoa vitu? Hata notice wanatupea baada ya siku 5. Wanataka tulipe ushuru. Ushuru tunalipa tukikaa kwa maboma. Tuko na malons tumechukua, tunalipa kwa hiyo kazi tunafanya. Sasa hivi leo wameangusha hivi, tutalipa na pesa gani? Watoto shule. Watoto shule wanasoma. Tutalipa aje pesa? Nyinyi mnapanga mikutano kila wiki, mnaenda, mnarudi, mnatuambia tunawapangia nyinyi. Mnatupangia sisi kutubomolea. Sisi tunaumia. Mukibomoa vipi?
Abaraini ko bagendrete komochia omurobiri bwa serikali bo wakana chibesa gwetira ase emitandao o e-citizen oyo wango yagwesoke no mubunge Olagdera Abdikadir Hussein oyo tebabuna nigo omurobiri yoyo orachi sukuru naboigo aboro kiwana aboro kia chinga kichinkongu anene mono ekero baraye bakora emerobiri yabotamo ngo bayiri bagusaba serikali kurigereria ingane asobwime elinda kwene kinga aboro kiwa abayiboli na aboro kia baliko konyora chinga kichinkongu anene mono ase ekerbagendrete nemerobiri kwene kinga chisemi ngokoruchire ase chiskuru au ime yense yaito ya Kenya.
Mashule zetu wananunua maji na cash, wananunua chakula na cash, wanafanya mambo mingi na cash. Sasa mkiweke pesa zao kwa e-citizen na watu waweza kutoa kama tunataka, si ni shida? Hiyo ni maanisha kwamba mtatatiza mashule zetu.
Jukumu yetu ni kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi ambaye ako kwa umri ya kwenda shule ameenda shule. Tutafanya hivyo kwa kuhakikisha ya kwamba transition kutoka primary to JSS 100%. Kutoka primary secondary 100%.
There is a acute shortage of teachers. Junior secondary, primary, secondary, there is a acute shortage of teachers, and if something is not done, then the whole idea of free education will be
Omuraiwense Dr. William Ruto ni galigania bene omuroberio no musangerikano oreta amo ababunge na boigo abawaziri ati wizara au elinde kumurekera negati ya mangana babira wakora ase umwaka oeta na boigo kurigereria nchera kibara bakogorora serikali. Omuraiwense natogia ebunge ase goikirania emeswada emenge serikali na koyetia engane abere bakobachinga kichinyororo anene mono ogwetwa kweli chiko lyogosira obotenu social health insurance fund na boigo okwena no kwoyo asinsemo au na boigo kubasabanga koleta amaonchererio na magendera asensi to Kenya saboigo abairigo sab enchero kabara bawikirania ekirenga kiaye ase serikali na ase okobwaterana na boigo kwena na chinguru linde gusira serikali ya Kenya kwanza.
From where I sit, we have a moment in history to unlock the potential that Kenya has always had in making sure that the proposals that have come from the executive, from the ministers and principal secretaries, as they tailor the programs that are necessary for us to implement the plan and proposing budgets for it, Parliament have done their bit. I want to urge members here, your first priority is to make sure that you are ahead of the game in making sure that we have ICT hubs in every ward in your constituencies. Friends, I told you we must work together to change Kenya. Please, tusaidiane kubadilisha Kenya. And it will take the effort of everybody.
Utigarete imeana ivasha asege ikare kukiaba waziri na boigo ababunge nigo bago kwana enseme yo omurai bwabali no mubaro omonene ase bunge Kimani Ichung'wah no mubung noyo abwensemo ye Senate Aaron Cheriot ainekia ogosira barachikorwa uchiase serikali asenseme Kimani Ichung'wah abaga okwanera egati ya makongo babere bagwetira anene mono ase okonyorwa wechibesa tia CDF funds ingana yabere koleta amaberera amanene egati ya serikali na boigo chibunge chonsi Ibere asomokonyi obomurai wense abaga kuiranelia enkwana yo murai omukoro wense ya Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta abaga gotebanga tiga serikali ya Kenya kwanza etie kurigereria aya etire kurumaega ase bono omokonyi murai wense asaba omurai wense Dr. William Ruto kwene kinganko ngwetiali ngobekale bosio aba Kenya bonse na taigotiga onde wensi maega asensemo ya magendero na boigo emeroberio ya serikali eyo abegete linde goikirania ase amatuko abosio.
There's no CDF, no what? No parliament. And Your Excellency, I will often find myself on the receiving end, being the leader of the House and being the person who ought to be representing the cabinet secretary when he's not there.
Have been extremely supportive in passing business that has been forwarded to us. Quickly, Your Excellency, in the interest of time, I will mention that we are anxiously awaiting the housing bill, which the Honorable Ichung'wah has spoken about. Once our colleagues in the Assembly conclude on it, we will definitely consider it. Chances are we have our slight different views on one or two issues, but as you know, we have been quite fast at agreeing and
continuously continue looking at the rear mirror to make sure that all Kenyans are on board and they are not left behind. Again, Your Excellency, there are also people who would want to derail your vehicle. There are those who like to puncture the rear wheels. There are those who like to remove goods from your pickup behind. You must continuously look at the rear mirror and the side mirrors so that anybody who may want to derail your vehicle, you are ahead. And again, Your Excellency, your pace is too fast for those of us who help you.
Mwancho murigalia on Ndizi TV orobotio ruokorwa ase enseme ya Naivasha county ya Nakuru notowikera omweri wa mangana Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabona mugos kolende to basa usuka asenge njoni go tokwariganiretie emerobeli emenge kegima yoko kya ukomanyia nabo gosemia ase chinchira itabe tukwata nere ne kwene kichibi chechi na mali ngo wikerare asenche wikani yakoro kwa Petra Mokera litana ngoro kwa job Maangi wikera chinga kichinde na batakire borigererio buja ime Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu obwo Gusii.